everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain important 5 marks and 4 marks questions for your board exams. Since you already know the basics and you are thorough with the concepts, in this video I will be solving concept based questions. So without wasting any time, let's start the class. So our first question, Rohit wants to obtain an erect image using converging mirror. Converging mirror is nothing but it's a concave mirror of focal length 40 centimeter. Okay, the given Rohit wants to obtain an erect image using converging mirror of focal length 40 centimeter. This is the given information. Okay, three sub questions. So first question is, specify the range of distance where the object can be placed in front of the mirror. Justify. So image is erect. Since the image is erect, it means the image formed must be virtual and erect. Correct, right? In the concave mirror, virtual and erect image is formed only when the object placed between pole and focus. That means last case of the ray diagram. Here, focal length is 40 centimeter. So, object should be placed at a distance less than 40 centimeter from the pole. That means between pole and focus. So what you can write in the justification, when the object is placed between the pole and focus of the concave mirror, the reflected rays diverge and appears to come from the behind the mirror, forming virtual, erect and magnified image. Okay, next question. Okay, second question, draw a ray diagram to show image formation in this case. So for this case, you should draw sixth ray diagram of concave mirror where one ray is parallel to principal axis after reflects as it comes from the focus, and another ray goes towards the center of curvature and reflect back along the same path. The image is formed behind the mirror, that is virtual, erect and enlarged. Okay, next question. State one use of mirror based on the above kind of image formation. So you are familiar with uses of concave mirror, application of concave mirror, but here they are asking state one use of mirror based on above kind of observation. That means when you keep object between pole and focus, what type of the image you will form, that is virtual and erect. For that virtual and erect image we should write applications or uses. So a concave mirror used in the position commonly used as shaving mirror or makeup mirrors and dentist mirror. Okay, let us move on to the next question. This is case based questions for 4 marks. Let us understand the information first. They given information about refracting telescope. Then they given diagram also. Observe the diagram carefully. Here you can see two types of the mirror. One is plain mirror, another one is curved mirror. One more, lens, eyepiece. Convex lens is a eyepiece is a convex lens. Now you read the question carefully. What kind of image of the star is seen by the observer at the eyepiece? So what is that? Virtual and erect. Your answer is virtual and erect. Okay. Eyepiece in the reflecting telescope is typically converging lens used as magnifying glass. Okay. The image formed by the primary mirror acts as an object for the eyepiece. The eyepiece is positioned such that its object is within its focal length. Resultly, we can see magnified virtual and erect image. Okay, next, second question. What kind of the mirror is used in reflecting telescope? So that is concave mirror. Reflecting telescope uses large concave mirror as a primary light gathering element to focus the light at a single point. Okay, next question. Explain with the reason what kind of optical device, means type of the lens or mirror, that used at the eyepiece. Okay, the convex lens means converging lens is used as the eyepiece and acts as a magnifying glass. It produces magnified virtual and erect image of the intermediate real image formed by the primary mirror. Okay, which is placed just within its focal length. Here you need to remember one point. So what is that? Virtual and erect image, magnified image of the intermediate real image formed by primary mirror. In the primary mirror, real image will form. That real image is acts like a object for this convex lens. okay, which is placed just within its focal length. Okay, next question. What is the role of plane mirror in the telescope? To reflect the light rays to sides. The plane mirror is positioned at the 45-degree angle to the optical axis of concave mirror. Okay, you can observe the plane mirror orientation. It is 45-degree to that curved mirror, that is concave mirror. Its role is to reflect the converging light rays to side of the telescope tube. Okay, where the eyepiece is located, allowing the observer to view the image without blocking the incoming light to the primary mirror. So let us move on to 5 marks question. Here they given circuit diagram. In the above circuit diagram, A and B are two lamps, means electric bulbs. Lamp A is rated at 12 volt and 24 watt, and lamp B is rated at 6 volt. When lamp B is operated, its rated voltage, the current in it is 3 ampere. The value of R1 and R2 are chosen so that both lamps operated at their rated voltage. Based on the information given, answer the following question. Our first question, calculate the current in lamp A. Second one, state and give the reason for the reading of voltmeter and calculate the resistance of R2. Find the value of the resistance R1. Let us discuss one by one. First, we'll discuss current in lamp A. Okay. As shown in the figure, two lamps A and B are connected in the circuit. Lamp A is rated 12 volt and 24 watt, and lamp B is rated at 6 volt. Both lamps operated their rated voltage. First, we calculate current in the lamp A. So here they mention both lamps operated at their voltage. Okay. So for lamp 1, they given voltage and power. So by using V and P value, we can find out I value. That means current value. What is the formula? P is equal to V into I. Rewrite the formula. I is equal to P by V. So what is power value? 24. Voltage is 12 volt. 24 divided by 12 gives 2 ampere. Okay. So current in the lamp A is 2 ampere. Next, second question. State and give reason for reading of voltmeter. Okay, so here voltmeter is connected across lamp B. Since lamp B is operated at its rated voltage of 6 volt. Okay, voltmeter reading will be 6 volt. You know function of voltmeter, right? Voltmeter measures the potential difference across the components or device. Here lamp B is connected across voltmeter, right? Lamp B is operating at its rated voltage. The voltmeter shows 6 volt. Next question. Calculate the resistance of resistance R2. Okay. So here total supply is how much? Total electrical supply is 15 volts. That means potential difference is 15 volts, and lamp B needs only 6 volt. So voltage across R2 is how much? Total is 15 volt. Lamp B requires only 6 volts. So you can remove 6 from 15. 15 minus 6 is how much? 9 volts. Now the voltage required for a lamp A is 9 volts. Okay, next I use the formula R2 is equal to V by I. So what is V value? That is 9 volt. I value is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3 ohm. Resistance of the R2 is 3 ohm. Okay, next fourth question. Find the value of resistance R1. So observe the circuit diagram carefully. Lamp A is in the separate parallel branch, right? It needs 12 volt supply. Now, uh, voltage drop across R1 is 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 gives 3 volt. Next, current through lamp A is 2 ampere, right? That current through lamp A is 2 ampere. That is equal to current through resistance 1, resistor 1. Use formula IR is equal to V by I. So voltage is how much? 3 volts. Current is 2 ampere. 3 divided by 2 gives 1.5 ohm. Okay students, these are the very important questions that you can expect in your board exams. Please practice them thoroughly. In the next video, we will discuss new questions. Thank you everyone.